Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Right now, someone is feeling the sudden, undeniable weight of your absence. They are beginning to realize that the light, the warmth, and the specific frequency you brought into their life cannot be found anywhere else. In the next 5 minutes, we aren't just going to think about them. We are going to shift your entire energetic blueprint so that your value becomes an undeniable truth in their reality. Stay with me until the very end, because the emotional shift we will perform in the final minutes is the key to making this permanent. Now breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and release for 8. Feel your body becoming heavy, yet your spirit becoming light. You are entering a sacred space where only your truth exists. Now repeat after me out loud or in your mind. My energy is a rare and precious gift. I am the prize that cannot be duplicated. My presence is healing. I am naturally magnetic to everything that serves my highest joy. They are now awake to the depth of my worth. My energy is a rare and precious gift. I am the prize that cannot be duplicated. My presence is healing. I am naturally magnetic to everything that serves my highest joy. They are now awake to the depth of my worth. It is done. Now visualize a white light expanding from your heart. This is your signature energy. See it reaching out, touching the person you desire. But instead of reaching for them, see that light pulling back into your own center. Feel the shift from needing to being. Feel the immense power of knowing that you are enough. As you pull your energy back, you create a vacuum that they are compelled to feel. Feel the relief of knowing your work is done. Bathe in the feeling of being irreplaceable. You are a masterpiece. There is no one else with your soul print. Let that certainty settle into your bones. You are now vibrating at the frequency of your highest self. Now wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you are ready, open your eyes, knowing that the world and they now see you for the treasure that you truly are. Before leaving, I want you to claim this energy. Type "I am irreplaceable" in the comments right now to anchor this intention into the physical world. And if you want to accelerate this process and see results even faster, I have a special gift for you. Visit joybyjanell.com right now to download my free obsession spell. It is designed to align your energy and manifest them into your reality with speed and ease. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next meditation.